Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and it's that time of day and month again where I get to share with you guys the top iOS apps for the month of August. So let's begin. So the first one is called um, the New York Times Cooking app. So if you are looking for ideas to cook or looking for some advice or looking for some tutorials for cooking, the New York Times Cooking app is one of my favorite ones to use. I get a lot of great ideas whenever I need some ideas of what I'm gonna make for tonight for dinner or something. It's just a great app, really nice, big pictures, really easy to use, simple. The only downside, of course, is that after your free trial is over, you have to do a subscription-based program with them. So that's the only downside. But other than that, it's one of my favorite apps to have on the iOS on my iPhone right now for cooking ideas. Next is Minimalist. So Minimalist is a simple list app to remind you of reminders that you need to get reminded about. So it's very simple to use, really easy design. You just scroll down whenever you need to add something new and swipe up to go into the settings area. And it's just really simple. One of my favorite things about this is that it does have some themes options. So if you want to get the themes, you have to do an in-app purchase for the app. But other than that, you will have just a simple minimalist app. And another great thing is that if you're a fan of the changing the icons colors, thanks to iOS 10.3, the app does support that as well. Next we have Metapho, if I'm pronouncing that right. So Metapho is a super simple and useful app if you enjoy taking a lot of pictures but then you like sharing them but you don't want to share the metadata behind that photo, because in every photo when you take it, it has the location of where the photo was taken and all the information inside it. So if you want to share it, let's say on Twitter or something, but you don't want people to know where to know the photo's information, you can open the app and it will give you the option to delete all that stuff. And you'll be able to see also information about the camera and everything from inside the app, which is really useful if you want to see information about the photo and the camera and all that stuff. Next we have Obstructed. So Obstructed is a content blocking app a bit. So a while back, of course, Apple let blockers on the App Store so that they could block ad blockers, so that they can block all the ads. But what Obstructed does is that it makes it really simple for you to not see any of the stuff that you'll see on Safari. So maybe you'll see like an ad or something. So when you open the extension part in the bottom below of the iPhone, you could launch Obstructed and it will simplify the web page so that you don't see any distractions or anything like that when you're reading something from the web, which is really, really neat. And not next but not least, we have Olli, if I'm pronouncing that right, Olli. So Olli is a photo video app where it allows you to create photo artwork from ink kind of style, color, ink, water, ink style. I've been enjoying it for the past couple of days. I like sharing photos on Instagram a lot, so having something like this to stand out and try something different, it's been fun. There's a ton of filters you could choose from, and there's also in-app purchases, so if you want to get some cool looking filters, which of course are behind the in-app purchase, you could do that as well. And it supports the library, so if you have a photo that you want to transform into an ink, an oil style painting, you can upload it to the app and it will do the work for you. So those are the top 5 apps for this month of August. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do subscribe in the button below, or comment to tell me what you think about the video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.